Mag-learn tayo ng mga verbs. Pero una sa lahat, mag-attendance muna tayo. Rayvan,
Present.
Isha Lorente,
Present.
Brigitte Brunencio, Angeline, Juris Negrillo, Laklak, Chris Obal, Toyoto, Kisha De Guzman, Roderick Mark Flores. Okay class, mag-review muna kayo habang wala pa ako. So, para makapag-prepare na kayo sa exam nyo. Okay, pabalik lang ako.
Sir, pwede po bumili ng tubig sa kantin?
O, sige.
Sige po sir, bilisan ko lang po.
Okay class, meron tayong bagong estudyante ngayon.
Every time I go home from school as a transfer student, I always think about how to make more friends. But how? I'm too shy. So I always take my phone to look at our school group chat so I can communicate and participate with them, and also to make friends. And so far, I'm getting along with them and having fun with them. I thought I'm not going to have any friends, but they're so good at communicating. I thought being a transferee would be hard, but then I was just so shy and nervous at the same time. But I won't let my fear go against me. Then I learned how to make friends and communicate with others. So that's how I learned the word you need to try it first to see how it works. And the word don't let your fear go against you. And the word if you never try you'll never know.